Hey, good morning, guys. Johnny with Blazer Grass Lawn Care. Happy Friday. Yeah, man. Let me turn this down
By real language
so I
teachers.
don't get.
They built it around real.
All right. Uh, it is Friday, 22nd May 2020. Yeah, 7:15, and what I'm doing is just getting things ready for the day. You know, I'm early bird, man. So hey, so today we have two tree jobs, and I'm going to use the Husqvarna, and this is a 530i PT5, and it's a extended pole trimmer. And basically, I think it goes 16 feet. But I'm really excited to try this out today for the first time. Oh, there's my boy Q. Let me reply to him real quick. Yeah. So yes, I'm going to. Let me double check. I'm so busy. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to utilize the Husqvarna extended pole trimmer, and yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. And yeah, that's looking forward to that. And guys, little by little, man, you can tell I'm starting to move certain pieces of equipment. I love the battery usage. So what I've did is and I'll show you. I bought a string trimmer from Husqvarna, but I bought the little combi portion of it. You know, Husqvarna has such long freaking nomenclature or name for their tools. You know, 525K IB27. So, but when I get it, you know, you'll see it. I want to definitely try it out. I have a 30-day you know, money back guarantee on it, so I like to try these things out, guys. And certain things work, and certain okay. Yeah, I'm one of those guys that love trying new things. And if something is better than the other, then, you know, we'll go ahead and move it along, man. That's what it's all about. So in saying that, hey guys, my granular sprayer, I used it, man. This thing is awesome, freaking awesome. I didn't have a chance to film it because, again, people are home, guys, so you have to, you know, bear a little bit with me, but I will eventually film it. And this took me a long time to spread it out by hand with the little roller and all of that. With this machine, man, not even 10 or 15 minutes, man. And then I utilize it on my pre-emergent, which this is what I use right here, Snapshot, on my plant beds. And you know, and it works great. I do it twice a year and on my plant beds, and it works great, man. It minimizes the amount of weeding, and then, you know, you sell a lot of business that way. You keep your properties looking nice and looking great. Now I'm going to eventually, and I hate doing this, but I'm going to do it because then I get comments. Now keep in mind, when I show you this piece of equipment, guys, I'm not shipping it. You know, I'm not doing any of the above. Okay, so if you live in my area, then, you know, you can probably send me a quick DM via Instagram, and if it's something that you're interested in, let me know. So I'm going to get rid of this Echo PPT. I think it is 2620 extended pole, and yes, it is a I think it goes 16 feet as well. Not too sure on what exactly, but never ever used it. This thing has been sitting here for for a year and a half. Never use it. You know how you, because I always use this right here, my steel combi. You know, I never actually use this, so I'm going to be getting rid of it. So any of you guys interested in it. And again, if you're local, you're gonna drive by or drive up and come see me. I'm not mailing it, I'm not shipping it. If you're interested, send me a DM, and then, you know, we'll talk. We'll talk. Simple as that. All right, so filled up my fuel can. All my equipment is filled. Bam, 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 bam. Hey guys, so I'm going to buy a ProStance 32. I'm really leaning forward to buying a ProStance 32. I'll probably see if I can get it as a demo for next week, but I want to purchase a ProStance 32, and that will minimize me from the push mowing those yards that I have. And again, it's a handful that are grandfathered in, that I actually push mow, and I'm not getting rid of them, but I'm not picking up any new ones. But what this will do is stop. Matter of fact, the only push mowing that I will be doing is 1 yard, which I purchased the 30 for that one specific yard, and that's working out real great. But it will eliminate my push mowing, and it will also serve as a backup for my Vantage 36, because it went down, I want to say about 2 weeks ago, for about a week and a half. And guys, I was push mowing all these yards. Well, not me mainly, it was my boy Q. And man, let me tell you, when it comes to push mowing and riding on something, the efficiency level is amazing. Listen, when you go from walking to riding, guys, I can't say enough. It is a big, extreme game changer. And I understand some of you guys say you love to push mow. That's fine. I don't. No. And again, it's not because I'm hauling ass. It's because it saves your body. It saves your body. You are enjoying it. You know what I mean? Some yards I push mow, and no, I'm not into the push mowing thing. My bad. I'm not gonna even try to fake it. I'm not into the push mow. All right, guys. Well, let me take you and show you the two tree work, and we'll continue on from this point. Okay. See you in a few.
Pop Smoke.
Oh no, man! I think you could put that over. You can put it through and then pick up the lens and just move them over. You know what I mean? And make it a lot easier. I think that's what